This is what our house looks like after the grocery store. Okay, we just lost one. Oh, it's Max and Sparkle. Oh, no, that's Ruby and Sparkle and Oscar and Lucy and Buddy. Everybody's in the kitchen and would like something to eat or looking for morsels of something. Oh, he got something. I hope it's edible for dogs. Just something for dog to eat. 1, 2, 3, Buddy. 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs in my teeny tiny kitchen. Isn't that something? All right. Hi, Max. Oh, no jumping. Ah! Oscar, what else is new? Okay, guys. Lucy, good girl. Leaving the area. Okay, bye-bye now.